dare to challenge me, I will destroy you!
I don't know how I'm going to live my life without him. What am I gonna do now?
What do you mean I have to go? I'm just getting started. You can leave. I think I'm just gonna take a little nap right now. Just a little one.
If you're bored of the traditional emotionless text-to-speech programs and are looking for something a little different and more colorful, then you've come to the right place. We've stumbled across a program that you probably have never heard of unless you're a game developer or into animation. Let's go check it out. The name of this program is called Replica. Now that's Replica with a C, not a K. Spelling it with a K will take you somewhere totally different. Go to replicastudios.com to get started. You'll have to create an account first. Once that's done, you'll be sent a verification link to the email address that you provided. After verifying your email, sign in and you'll be taken to the screen. At this point, you'll have to actually download Replica Studios to your computer. If you're a game developer or animator, you'll also want to download the plugins for Unreal, Unity, or iClone. You can also choose to join their Discord account, subscribe to their YouTube channel, or follow them on Twitter. This is the dashboard. You'll be given 5 minutes of credits for signing up. Click on the circle with your initials on the top right corner and select Billing and Usage. You can see how many minutes you have remaining and have the option to purchase additional credits. Replica doesn't have the typical monthly or yearly subscription plan because it's actually meant for video game voiceovers. It's pay as you go, and currently you can only buy 4-hour increments for $36. Now, while you may think that's a high price, let's compare it to 11 Labs pricing. With 11 Labs, they charge $22 for about 2 hours worth of text-to-speech. Additionally, if you don't spend all your credits, it doesn't roll over to the next month. With Replica, your credits will stay with you, and there's no time limit on how long you have to use them. So, I guess you'll have to decide if 4 hours is more than you'll ever expect to use. Let's look at the voice library. Currently, there are well over 100 voices to choose from with more in development. Since we can't preview them all, I'll pick out the ones that stand out most to me. Let's see. We have a demon voice.
Cower before me, mortal. I am the almighty evil that you shall serve for the rest of eternity.
A pirate.
Your punishment, matey, will be to swab the decks for the next month. That'll teach you a lesson.
A cowboy.
Jones, take Williams and circle around back.
A teenage girl.
So, get this. My dad said he would cut me off if I don't, get a job. I mean, seriously, doesn't he know how hard I already work?
And finally, your typical run-of-the-mill bad guy.
My photon plasma ray will put an end to his meddling. Prepare to be amazed.
Clicking on the profile button on the right will show you the character's gender, age, accent, and number of styles. In this case, Bathilda has 12 styles to choose from, ranging from dark rage to annoyed. Let's listen to see how her tone changes with each style.
How dare you take my wand! This is my castle, and you think you can just come in, take what you want, and leave again? I did it, and it was easy. I'm so much smarter than everyone else around here. I can't believe I have to keep doing this same thing over and over.
Once you've settled on which character you want, head over to the sandbox and select a voice. Now you can select what style you want the characters to say the text in. You can also select more styles and move the slider left and right, which will give you more style options. Just select Add Style to add it to the list. All you have to do now is type in your text and press play.
Tell me the truth. Aren't I the most beautiful queen that you know?
To put a pause in the middle of your text, select the part you want to insert the pause in first and then select Silence. You can either use the slider or select one of the different options to decide how long the pause will be.
Tell me the truth. Aren't I the most beautiful queen that you know?
Let's change the style now to Dark Rage so that you can hear the difference.
Tell me the truth! Aren't I the most beautiful queen that you know?
Once you're happy with how it sounds, select Save Take. Let's get rid of that pause and change the style again. How about exasperated?
Tell me the truth! Aren't I the most beautiful queen that you know?
When you're ready to download the audio file, click on that down arrow symbol on the far right of the screen. You now have the option of downloading it as a WAV file, an MP3 file, or an OGG file. And that's a wrap. For those of you that like making stories for content creation, Replica Studios would be the perfect text-to-speech program for you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to us. See you soon.